finger. Stop. Look at that. Oh! No, you have to taste it.
I'd rather not.
Taste that.
Here, record me.
It's in my hair. You're not witnessing your mouth. Get it off. Let it go. Okay.
You're such a freaking cripple.
Is it on me?
I don't know. No.
When it disappears.
Hey.
Dang it. Why are you videotaping me?
I know you. OMG. ... What? LOL. Oh yeah. I forgot to tell you. I actually smelled some Sunny D.
Are you serious?
No. Here's the story. Okay. Okay. So I was walking down the stairs. I hit my elbow, and Sunny D splashed into your popcorn. It made this sizzling noise. It's like and I was like, what the heck?
You want something from me? Huh, homie?
Here, I'll demonstrate. Come over here.
No.
Ew, my hair's wet.
Oh, yeah.
I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate. You're gonna pee your pants.
Give me my water.
No, listen.
Give me some dang water.
Listen. It didn't hack and work. Call me, beat me, if you wanna come. Doesn't matter when